So hi guys, so in this video we gonna discuss about the conversation between yourself. Because of you having the environment to the practice to someone. So in my suggestion, speak with yourself. Like if like I'm also speak with myself. It's a lot of things. Because of why I'm saying is, if you speak with yourself, with your mind, yeah, you learn the lot of things. Because of you question yourself, you ask your question in your mind by yourself. Like if you asking with yourself, with the, like how to say, if you ask some question for you should answer it for that question. Because of, if like the basics means, like, so sorry in my room some of the noises came in. Yeah, sorry for that, because of I am nearby some roads, so that's the reason. So okay, so why I'm saying means, if you ask your question, like the basis question, like the daily basis sentence, like if you the conversation build someone, like if you initially asking hi, how are you, like this is the basis question. If you asking, yeah, like how are you, yeah, I am fine, like what is your name, like if you answer it, yeah, my name is Jana. So after that, you can the build there some after that, like if you ask to someone, like where are you from, like I am from Singapore. Like if you, like, so like this, if you ask your question this kind of thing, yeah, you will be answer it. So in my opinion, so ask so many questions for yourself. If you go to somewhere like around in your nearby cities and some village side, if you go outside, yeah, the tree is the lot of height. So if you know some of the word, you build some kind of the sentence newly. So that is the flexible for your mouth also, your thinking ability also increasing. For example, if you go to some of around some of the city, I am asking to how to say sorry, I am asking to myself, like those people are the where are going. So I think they are going to work and college or university. And also if I watch some buses and bikes and autos and rickshaw, if I watch it, yeah, that auto is a good, the cleaning maintenance is good. And also I watch some bus, it is the best beautiful. Yeah, the bus is very beautiful, the color is highlighting the bus. And also I mention it, if you go to some people are going to the college, like I also they mentioned, yeah, those people are they're going to college, they having schools and they are having the exam. So like that way you build the some of the basic communications, the basics words also. Like if you go to the your home, like the basic communication in English you use it, like take the mobile and take the TV remote, switch off the TV, like can you on the TV, like if you don't know something English, it is okay, make mistake. If you made a mistake, you are still the learning. So it is the opinion for me, because of if you haven't any using the English words, it's the difficulty. But you using the lot of the English words, the sentence and how you mean, like the everywhere you use it, like in yourself. If you have an environment, be kind yourself. That you use it, there is so many English words the instead of your mother tongue. Because of if you using the simply, like if you done the 1% daily, that is makes different. The practice is the key. Like if I'm also the using the mother tongue, but when I'm taking the video, I'm not using in mother tongue. Because of I have to someone help to, because of if I the practicing every day, it makes helpful for me also. So in my opinion, ask yourself so many questions. Because of yourself asking your mind will be the producing so many questions in your mother tongue. So instead of you thinking, ask your question in the English, like, okay, those people are the where are you going? I think they will be going to somewhere. So so like that way, you should question ask your mind. If you ask your mind, it is also helpful, I think. So yeah, in this video I gonna discuss on this because of I'm also beginner. I am also still the learning this. So thank you for watching this full video. If you if you know any media mistake please let me know in the comment section. I will correct them next video, upcoming video. So thank you for supporting also. Please support me. If you like this video, please like and share your friends, and also the subscribe my channel also. So if you speak with me, please let me know in the comment section. I will arrange with a Google Meet or something different. So yeah, in this video we are discussed about the using the simple sentence the every day, like the basics, and ask yourself so many questions. It is helpful for your goal or your career. So if you have any topics I gonna discuss, please let me know in the comment section. I will do that clearly. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye.